Many of us tend to overthink our images. We make them too complicated and there are too many elements. Simplifying our images will make them more attractive. In January, we will practice that. This is why the 52 assignment theme from January 2023 is called Simple Start. Hi, it's Peter here. Check out this video if you want to know more about 52 assignment is all about. There is all the info you need. The assignments in January are Simple Start, Minimalism, Negative Space and Bokeh. All of these are not related to any specific genre or subject. In that regard, it is also simple and easy to start. Photograph the genre that you are the most comfortable with. Let's get into more detail about what I mean by the assignments. Simple is beautiful. I personally like simple images that have a clear subject and does not tell the whole story. If an image has too many subjects or things that attract the eye, the image is too busy. The eye cannot grasp the image and wanders around the surface. The image is too busy and might not be very pleasant. And the second subject is minimalism. In a minimalistic image there is not much. Everything is simple and minimalistic. The light can be contrasty, but usually it is pretty flat. I have a video about minimalism, you can watch it here. There is also a feedback live stream about minimalism. I will link both of these videos in the description. Negative space is a compelling way of making the composition. Negative space is the area around the subject. It usually requires at least 2/3 of the area to be empty so that it can be called negative space. When using negative space, the subject is the hero of the shot. More about negative space in this video, or is it over there? And bokeh. Bokeh has been a buzzword and something that quite many want in their images. I agree that in some images it is a good thing, but by no means an image has to have bokeh. Using bokeh wisely can make an image better. With a shallow depth of field, you can hide distracting things from the background. It can make an image really simple. And here is more about bokeh. How will I approach this theme? Now that there is time, I will use it and I will not rush into the images. I will look for simple shapes, some individual object in the city, etc. Even though this whole thing is not about gear, a few recommendations. I will choose 1 or 2 lenses I use for the whole month. It simplifies the things when you narrow the options. My choices are a 20mm lens with my OM5. The other lens will be a 45mm lens. A standard and a short telephoto. For full frame user, that would be a 40mm and a 90mm lens. After photographing a few weeks, I would choose the images and post them in my Facebook group. The whole point is to photograph new images. Please, no images from the archives. And what about the feedback? I will give some feedback on your images on a live stream at the beginning of February. More about that and how to send images later in January next year. I hope you will have a good start and this 52 assignment will motivate you and help you to become a better photographer in 2023. And I want to wish you a very happy new year. But hey, thanks for watching and bye for now.